In the fast-paced automotive world, unexpected equipment failures can halt production, causing costly delays. Imagine the impact on vehicle availability and production schedules when a single machine breaks down unexpectedly. Rising costs of parts, labor, and emergency repairs are a constant challenge. As prices soar, maintaining a balanced budget becomes increasingly difficult for automotive maintenance teams. A CMMS transforms maintenance by enabling proactive strategies, reducing unexpected failures. By scheduling tasks based on data, it ensures equipment is serviced before issues arise. Automation streamlines work orders and scheduling, making processes efficient. Real-time tracking of spare parts optimizes inventory, cutting costs, and ensuring parts are available when needed. IoT and sensors provide real-time equipment monitoring, offering insights into asset health. This technology allows for condition-based maintenance, extending equipment life and reducing unnecessary interventions. AI and machine learning predict failures, suggesting optimal actions. Mobile CMMS capabilities empower technicians with on-the-go access to work orders and asset histories, enhancing efficiency. ManWinWin offers automotive-specific features for manufacturing and fleet operations. Its intuitive user experience ensures easy adoption, while scalability supports operations of all sizes. Comprehensive reporting and analytics provide actionable insights. With dedicated support, ManWinWin ensures proven results, making it the ideal partner for automotive maintenance excellence. ManWinWin transforms maintenance challenges into opportunities. By adopting a modern CMMS, you resolve downtime and cost pressures, ensuring compliance, safety, and future readiness. ManWinWin acts as a complete partner in achieving maintenance excellence. It guides your strategy towards unparalleled success, ensuring your assets perform at their best today and tomorrow. Visit our dedicated content page to learn more about automotive maintenance solutions. Discover how ManWinWin can guide your strategy towards unparalleled success. Contact us today to transform your maintenance operations and drive excellence. Together, let's optimize your automotive maintenance for a future-ready operation.